Okay, we're pulling the Meyers babies. They are, the oldest one is 4 weeks old today, and I'll pull him out first, assuming that I get the right one. Here he is. Holy crap. He's huge. He's got yellow on his wings. He's already got pin feathers coming on the wings. Go in there, buddy. Alright, next one is the next oldest, who is 12 days old today. He's cute. See, the oldest one's already walking around and standing up. We never wait this long. Here's the youngest one. He's huge. Looks good to me. It's the first time they've been touched by human hands. And here they are. 1, 2, 3. That's the oldest one. Oh gosh, he's already walking around. The middle one's like standing up almost. That's the youngest one. There's the Meyers babies.